Today we're going to learn how to use DATABASICS Credit Card Express. Let's start by clicking on the Credit Card Express button. Here are all the charges made to my company credit card. We can narrow down our credit card charges in a few ways. One way is to use the filter to look for a date, amount, or the name of the charge. Another way is to create an alert so I get an email every time a new charge appears in this area. A third option is to set a charge to personal. This may or may not be available based on your company's system configurations. We can also search using this box. It requires at least 2 characters. Now, to actually begin putting these charges into my expense report, we first need to choose an expense report here at the top of the page. Then you can choose the credit card charge to put into the report and hit Next. Then we'll fill in this form inputting an expense type and the city. The date and amount might already be filled in for you. Then hit Next. On this page, we can attach the receipt for this meal. We can either upload it from our computer or we can find a previously uploaded or emailed receipt in the receipt repository. Then we'll hit Next. From here, we can add more expense charges by clicking Add More to see our unused credit card charges. We can choose another one and go through the same process as with the original charge. Once we're satisfied, we'll end up back at this page with all the charges. Hit Next one more time, and now we can name the report. This name will be on the cover page of this expense report. From here, we can click Submit, or we can see what the whole report looks like. Here we can look at each part of the report, from the cover page to the validation page. We can also add more expenses or change the expense type. We can change expense types or add additional attachments from the desktop or from the receipt repository. Then we'll click on Validation to let the report check for errors or expenses against policy. Finally, we can click Submit. And that's how you submit an expense report using credit card charges from your company credit card.